Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm product manager for Desigo CC, and in this video I'll show you how Desigo CC can help security guards to protect their customers' assets. And here we are switching into the role of Steve. So Steve is a young security guard, and his job basically is by monitoring video cameras, by doing patrols and so on, to make sure that the building is safe and that there are no unauthorized persons on the premises or inside the building. And Steve loves to work on night shift. And also in this scenario, he is on night shift. He actually just started working, got himself a cup of coffee. And as always, he has an eye on the video camera when he sees somebody doing strange things. So let's switch to his machine and see what's going on there. As you can see, also as a security guard, we are using the Desigo CC. And here you see the Desigo CC is showing a video stream, and this is more or less the typical view that we are using. And looking at this, you see that there is a guy outside of the building who is acting suspiciously and doing some strange things. Not sure what he's doing, but we should definitely keep an eye on him. But in the meantime, we also have other tasks to do. So since it's already 8 o'clock in the evening, the last employees have left the building for more than 1 hour ago, we also have to arm the intrusion system, which, by the way, looking at these people outside of the building might not be such a bad idea. And in order to do that, we are navigating to the office page, and we are looking or getting an overview first. We see that the lights are turned off, the doors are closed, so this looks good. And by clicking here, we can just arm the system. Now let's directly go back and see what the people outside there are doing. So we see that they're still there. And while we are focusing on them looking at the video camera, we see that the system has reported a window breaking. And also, like in the previous fire scenario case, the system now automatically started this assisted treatment procedure. So we see there are not as many steps as in the fire scenario case, since this is now really about a different type of incident. But still, since this is always also something which is not happening every day, it is important that we as an operator are getting guided by the system. And here it is pretty simple. So first of all, we acknowledge the event by clicking here, and then we can already continue with the first step, which is about getting an overview of the situation by looking at the graphic page. And here we see this is obviously the window where the breaking was detected. We also see that the lights are now turned on, the blinds are up, and the doors are in an alarm state. So this all looks good, and we can mark this step as complete. And then we can already continue with the second and last step, which is about informing or notifying the security officers to take further action. Could be, for example, that they take a look at the officers themselves or they directly call the police. And once this is done, we can already mark this step as complete. And this is very much that we as a security guard can do here. And now it's really about remaining in the background and stay calm and wait for further notice. So this was the Desigo CC in the security scenario. If you liked it, also check out the other videos where we look at the other scenarios as well.